how to create a portfolio website using Canva. So if you want to create a portfolio website using Canva, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is first of all go to canva.com. You might have Canva Premium or Canva free version. Do not worry, there are both type of free and pro templates available. Now in the search bar at the top, you can just type in website and just hit the search button. You'll see different website load up here. You can simply search for a portfolio website. So you can just hit the portfolio button here, or you can see a couple of options right here, or I'll just type in portfolio website right here. So let me just go ahead and then type that in. Once I've done that, you will see many templates load up. So depending upon whether you have free or premium version, just choose the template of your choice right here. Once you've done that, you can just select the customize the template option depending upon which one that you like. Now after you've done this, you'll come to this page. Now here you can replace everything that you want. So you can see all the pages, everything, all the form, links, and anything as such. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and then select and replace the image using your image. You can go ahead and then basically select your name in this case, and once you've selected the colors, the text, everything desired upon you, you can even create your own page, and what kind of page you want, you can customize it accordingly, and you can, by the end, you can simply publish that particular website. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon as always in the next video.